After logging in, head over to the left-hand side menu, click on Product, then select Add New Product. Now let's fill in the basic product details.
1. Give your product a name. 2. Category and subcategory. Choose the right classification. 3. Local unpublish. Want to save it as a draft? Just unpublish. 4. Inconvenience make product popular? Highlight your hot items. 5. To deal of the day. Boost visibility by featuring it. 6. Brand and seller. Assign to the correct brand and seller. 7. Tags. Add keywords for search. 8. Small description. A short, catchy product intro.
Time to make your product Google-friendly.
1. Mixocart product title buying for Google's and Passage optimized title. 2. Image alt text. Describe your product for Google image search.
Next, define the product type and pricing.
Set availability status.
Fill in extra details for a complete listing.
Lasted, country of origin, and tax info. 2. Is it returnable? Add max return days. 3. Enter FSI license if applicable.
Without upload your visuals.
1. Main image. This shows on the home page. 2. Other images. Upload at least 3 for best display. Tip: use square images. 1000 by 1000 works best.
All done? Great. Just click Add Product at the bottom to save and publish. That's it! Your product is now live on Mixocart. Ready to sell, ready to shine.